I don't want to speak on Carmelo Anthony specifically because he hasn't had his due process yet. There are already enough people attacking him without knowing all the facts, and I'm not going to add to that. I'm choosing to wait for the full evidence to come out before making any judgment on the details. But what I do want to say is that I am defending him, and I'm riding with him all the way, because from what I've seen, this looks like a clear case of self-defense. At the same time, this situation is revealing some deep truths that go beyond one person. It's sparking real conversations about race, justice, and the system we've been surviving in for generations. That's where my focus is, on the lessons being revealed and the awakening that's happening around us. The Carmelo Anthony case is not just about one man. It's a mirror being held up to the soul of this nation. It's exposing the deeply rooted superiority complex that has long protected and elevated white people, while dehumanizing and criminalizing Black lives. What we're witnessing now is the unraveling of a system that was never built for us, the original peoples of this planet, the Black man, the Black woman, and the Black child, who have carried the burden of generational trauma, injustice, and erasure. For centuries, we've endured the sting of racism, the silence forced upon us, and the pain of being unheard. But now, the energy is shifting, the universe is realigning, and karma is in motion. What was once buried is now coming to light. Our people are awakening in powerful numbers, reconnecting with their spiritual essence, ancestral wisdom, and unshakable truth. This isn't about victimhood, it's about reclaiming who we are and standing firmly in that truth. The Carmelo Anthony case is bringing all of this to the surface. It's making those uncomfortable who have long benefited from systems rooted in stolen land, stolen labor, and stolen identity. For the first time, some are beginning to feel what we've felt for generations: anger, fear, confusion, and loss. And they're struggling to face it, but we're not. We've lived through it. We've survived it with strength, grace, and unwavering spirit. This moment is not by chance. It's divine timing. Karma is not revenge. It's restoration. The discomfort others feel now is only a glimpse of what the original people of this planet have endured for centuries. The Black man is rising. The Black woman is rising. The Black child is rising. And no system, no lie, no force can stop what has already begun. We are in the age of awakening, and the truth is here.
Fellow white people, European Americans, I want to talk about what's going on right now. And as a therapist that is very intentional about decolonizing, deconstructing, our comfort will not bail us the fuck out of what's happening. And a lot of things are happening right now, and a lot of white people are scrambling to get away from the feelings that you're experiencing inside your body, right? So that can look a bunch of different ways. Some people are going to pick up more substance use stuff. Some people are going to try to run to their Black, Indigenous friends or family of color and try to be like, wait, I'm still a good person, right? Or you're going to get very internal, pack down all those feelings to where you are super anxious. You start getting sick. Physically, your body's responding to this intense emotion. Some of you are going to try to numb out, or you're just going to numb out. And the important part is right now, we have to sit with the feelings that are coming out. We have to identify them. We can't run from them back to comfort, because that's how the fuck we got here, is choosing our comfort over everything. Choosing our own perceived humanity over everybody else's. This shit is in flames because of white people. That's it. Can't blame anybody else. And that's what I've been saying. The universe has come to fucking collect for white people. And in order to move forward, we have to accept that. Radical acceptance. We have to own it. We have to own how centuries of white supremacy have led us here. We have to own that our direct ancestors have played a part in setting all of this shit up to fucking explode We have to understand the violence that comes along with whiteness. We have to understand the constant fucking crimes against humanity that defines who we are as white people. You can't run. You cannot run from these feelings. You cannot run back to comfort, because shit is getting wild, and it's actually only going to get worse. It hasn't even been 3 months yet. Things are going to get worse. And in order to move forward, we have to fucking face it. Take inventory of how your body is feeling. Process. We have to learn how to build community with each other, because we have to process through these feelings together. And we don't do that. We don't. And there's going to be a fucking shitload of different emotions that pop up. You got to feel them. You got to fucking feel the burn. Because we have to be driven to action. Off of social media, off this fucking app, we have to act. And in order for us to act, you have to engage your humanity. You have to ignite your empathy. You have to feel through this fucking pain and fear and anger, whatever you're feeling right now. You have to push through it, process it, and use it to move forward. Comfort can't be a fucking option. It's not. It's not an option. And silence is sure as fuck not an option right now. There's no middle ground at all. Nobody knows which one of us are safe. 3 out of 5 white men wanted this. 1 out of 2 white women wanted this. Those numbers are fucking insane. So what? You want to sit back and pick up a new habit? You want to run and throw all this emotional fucking chaos on anybody that doesn't look like us in order to try to soothe your own discomfort? You want to not talk about shit and just hide it and try to numb out? That shit isn't going to work. It's not going to fucking work. It is going to destroy us. If you want shit to change, you have to feel what the fuck is happening right now. You have to apply your empathy to what is happening right now. You have to tear out your humanity and bear it for the world to fucking see, so that you can activate yourself moving forward. Because the more you try to bury this shit, the more you try to numb it out, the more that you try to play both sides, the more that you try to pretend this shit isn't going on, it takes a life off your humanity every fucking time. Do not lose yourself. Do not lose yourself right now. Wake the fuck up. Wake the fuck up. Feel that fucking burn. Feel that sting. Let it push you to act.
Let me tell y'all something. Every test is a testimony. Every mess is a message. Period, Pooh. Hold on, Dad.
My bad.
Listen, honey. I ain't perfect, but sometimes I might have some good days. I might have some bad days. But let me tell you one thing. I refuse to give up. Okay, Daddy. I see you do my edges.
What you think, twin?
Daddy, you know I got this.
Let's get it.